Good afternoon, students. Today we were dealing with the unit number 2 of industrial engineering. In that unit, we are going to study the three topics, that work study, method study, and various charts. Now, first we will see what is work study. Work study is one of the most important management technique which is employed to improve the activity in production. It is used to investigate method of performing work, means method study, and the time taken to do it, work measurement. Means work study is nothing but to study the two topics or two things. That method study, in the work study we studied about the method study, means how we are going to produce any material or metal and what time required to produce that product. That is called as a work measurement, and the study about these both is called as the work study. Now, work study is required to work measurement and method study. This is shown in the diagram only. This is depend on two bases, and two bases are what? Study of the time and study of the how to perform that work. Then what is method study now? Method study is a systematic recording or examination of existing proposed ways of doing work as means of developing, applying easier and more effective methods and reducing the cost. Means how we can perform any work with shortcut, with long cut, or with a different method. We are going to analyze, synthesize, and examine all the process, existing process and newly added R&D processes also, and how we reduce the cost of producing that metal by using the method. It aims to find the best possible manufacturing procedure that requires that least time and less fatigue work to worker, and used to analyze the movement of the body, people, and material. Means the motion is very important thing in the any method study. Means there are movement in industry, in any industry there is a movement of people. Means somebody is going to take material, means the operator is moving here and there, the movement of that operator. Then the movement of any tool, movement of any equipment, movement of the material, movement of the tool. This is very used to analyze, very important to analyze. Activities of people and machines, means machine, how machine performs and how it works, and people how they perform their work. To analyze this, the method study is very essential for use of this analysis. Now, method study is a technique, or you may say it as a unnecessary movement by worker or by equipment. However, even after that, there could be unnecessary time taken for procedure because of the lack of management control or inaction of the worker. The explanation of the method study is various chart to record the movement, that is L-R hand process chart, the Gilbert's chart, etc. These are the charts to find out the method study or to explain the method study. The improvement of the process proceeds procedure, movement in the design of the plant and equipment, improvement of the layout, economy in a human effort and reduction of the unnecessary fatigue, development of the better working environment. These are the objective of the method study. What? Improvement of the process and procedure, improvement of the design, plant equipment, improvement of layout, economy in a human effort and reduction of the unnecessary fatigue, and development of the better working environment. Now, procedure to accomplish the method study called as the SERDIM method by what you say method and methodology. First step in the methodology is to select record. Second is record. Third is examine, develop, fourth is a develop, fifth is install, and sixth is a maintain. First procedure, accomplish method study, SREDIM. S is belonging to select the job or operation that needs to improvement. Record, R is for record all fact how work is done by chart method. Third, examine every aspect of the job by asking what, why, where, when, who, and how are going to do that work. That is very important. Again, D is belonging to develop, review ideas, eliminate specific, simplify, combine, rearrange, make new methods which more safe, chart new method, submit for approval. And I belonging to install. The new method consider base time and introduce a convenience all train users. Now, six is maintain. Check frequently, matches results, correct and deviations. Maintain all these process properly. Now, the this is how this in flowchart we show that SREIDIM. Now, chart methods. There are operation process chart, flow process chart. Flow process chart is a man, material, and machine type. Multiple activity chart, two-handed process chart, L and R hand chart means left and right hand chart. CMO chart, Thurbling and Gribble chart. These are the chart of the method study. Now the the flow process chart, man type material and type material and equipment. These are the chart use that symbols and describe how to sequence of the work and process, then how then show what the happening at the different stages, the distance and time may be given. Now, these are the sign convention for the flow process chart. O or the round is for the operation. D, the capital D is for delay. Arrow is for transportation. The reverse triangle is for hold, and the square is for inspection. These are the symbols to show the process chart. Now, when now any of if we consider the we consider the one by one the symbol that O belonging to operation occurs when grasp related of the material hand by hand assembled tool or components. D is for delay. Delay occurs when hand is ideal or not doing any activity, means people are doing time pass during work. That is for the delay. Again, occurs when the hand transportation occurs when one man or machine or anything material is moving from their original position to another towards all way material tool component, when material is moved from one place to another place. And inspection is done occur when object is examined for identification, and hold is happen when the hand hold an object so that other may work on the object. Now, two hand process chart. It is a chart in which activity worker hand are recorded in their in the relationship to another hand. It is commonly used in repetitive or repetitive and short cycle operation. Now, the LR chart is of a simply showing in the below or in diagram. Left hand, uh, is hold letter, and right hand reach for person. Big circle is for grasp pen, carry pen to paper, sign letter, return pen to holder, release the pen in holder, move hand to the letter. Now, the Thurber and Gibbler's chart, it is dealing with the movement of the man who is working not on machine. Study of the micro motion of the body parts and hands. Gibrith described the 18 motion known as a Gibrith. This is for search, U is for use, this is for find, eyes like structure is for find, then hash disassemble, select, inspect, grasp, uh, preposition, hold, release, load, transport, load, unavailable, delay, then transport, empty, avoidable, delay, and position, and you may say plan, and last one hashtag means assemble, then full hashtag means assemble, and the sitting arrangement of the man is like a rest, he is taking a rest. Now this is what the shown in the same, that what is exactly for the chart required. Thank you.